Hello, Miss Goins class and parents. In this video, I'm just going to give you an overview of what our Schoology classroom looks like, the layout, and how to navigate around it. So, once you're signed in, you should go to courses, and that is where you will find kindergarten homeroom. I know that's not a very easy name to find, but I hope this picture helps. It says Miss Goins kindergarten class. So this is where all of the assignments are going to be posted. So please make sure you're in this course. It should open up to materials and you'll see my Bitmoji classroom. Then there are these buttons on the bottom. So if you click each one of them, they're going to take you to that website. So sometimes an assignment, and I'll show you a little bit later, will tell you go into reading and do the to-dos on that site. So instead of clicking the link there, you could just come up here and click it, and it'll open a new tab, Math, IXL, Boom Learning, Kids A to Z, and then there's a Meet Miss Goin, just sheet that is about me. So you could click that and see how it opens up a new tab and will show you that resource. Below that is where the assignments will be posted. So a daily calendar activity is something that we're going to do every day so that students get to know their months, days, colors, things like that we really need to drill in kindergarten. So that is a folder you're going to use every day, or you can click this icon and it will come up with all of those videos on a playlist. Okay, under the daily calendar is where you will find that week's days, and each day will have their assignments. So I'm going to show you the first week. Yours will look a little different because not everything is published, or maybe more is published for you. But we'll click on a day, so you'll find the day that you're working on, and all of the assignments will come up under it. So our morning meetings are going to be every day. So they will see something similar to this. Every day is a theme, so Tuesdays are task cards. So you will read them the task card, write a list of the people in your family, then they will go over here to submit assignment. These are the different ways that you can upload and submit an assignment. So on upload, you would have to create a file. I would not recommend doing that way. So we're going to go to create, and they can simply type the members of their family. So dad, mom, sister, brother. Another way you could do that is inserting content. So that's up here with an arrow. You can add a picture if you want them to write it on paper, and you can take a picture with the iPad and then add it here. So when you click that, you'll attach a file and then you'll find the picture on your computer. So that's another way that you are able to do that. And then you will just click submit. So we're going to go back. Another thing that you may have is a media gallery. So this post a photo of yourself. I want all of my students to still get to know each other. So I'm going to have you help them upload a picture of themselves. Just an appropriate picture of just them ready for kindergarten. So you'll attach it here, same way I showed you in the assignment. Then there are some other ways that you may have to submit assignments. So this is a discussion. So it will link to a video. We will have read-alouds daily, almost likely. So you'll read the directions, click on the video, and then there's a microphone that they can record themselves instead of typing. So when you go to comment, the directions are here, but we're going to insert content. Oh, I'm sorry. We aren't going to do that. Maybe I should read the directions. We're going to audio, video, and you can do audio only. You could record a video and submit that. That would be fine as well. And then you'll post. I will say on these kinds of assignments, the discussions, it is going to be shown to every student. So they will see what they thought of the book. Then we'll go back. And the other two are also assignments, but they are photos and videos. The next thing that you may want to look at is updates. Again, the Bitmoji classroom will be there. But this is where I will post just updates like, hey, tomorrow is this day, we're going to do this. or if I have an announcement or there's no school, things like that. I already do have the kindergarten class up here just so you can see who else is in the class. But this is where messages that I want to go to the whole class will be. And I think that that's about it that I can show you there. Up here is where you'll get notifications, so if I post an assignment, it will get there. Up here is messages, so if I message a parent individually or I message a group of parents, that's where you'll find that. We have a calendar that you can click on and it'll show you an overview of assignments. And then here is just different apps that we may utilize later. But if you have any other questions, feel free to message me or email me. I feel like I've got Schoology down, so I'm happy to help you figure it out on the way. Thank you.